Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan shrimp from scratch. We'll dive into a simple, yet incredibly flavorful recipe that brings the taste and texture of shrimp to a plant-based dish. You'll discover how easy it is to transform common ingredients into a delightful seafood alternative. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this innovative and delicious meal. Let's get cooking. Our star ingredient is king oyster mushrooms, which provide that perfect, meaty texture. Begin by cleaning and slicing your mushrooms into 1-inch pieces, mimicking the shape of shrimp. Next, create a vibrant marinade using a blend of soy sauce, a touch of kelp granules for that ocean flavor, and your favorite spices. Let the mushrooms soak for at least 20 minutes to absorb all those wonderful tastes. Now it's time to cook. Heat a pan with a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Add your marinated mushroom pieces and sauté them until they turn golden brown and slightly crispy, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end brightens the flavors beautifully. This step is crucial for developing that irresistible, savory depth. Your homemade vegan shrimp is now ready to enjoy. These versatile bites are fantastic in a variety of dishes. Try them tossed with your favorite pasta, nestled in soft tacos, or as a protein boost in a vibrant stir-fry. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a final squeeze of lime juice adds a lovely finishing touch. Don't forget to check the description below for links to other great deals and to grab your own Owala water bottle to stay hydrated on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.